Ladies and gentlemen, alternate universe current first daughter of the United States, Chelsea Clinton.
The right to vote is the bedrock of our democracy. It gives us, each and every citizen, a voice in how our government works. Sadly, this fundamental right is under attack all across the country. Dozens of states have passed laws in recent years making it harder to vote. These laws disproportionately affect minority groups, the poor, and the elderly. Millions have been disenfranchised by voter ID laws alone. Here is the story of one woman who, with the help of the ACLU, is fighting back.
I've went all these years without a birth certificate. Well, now I start reading in the newspaper, you know, that we had to have a card and that there was 5 items that you had to have to qualify. So then I took my baptism certificate and marriage license, social security card, and I went down to the motor vehicle department and got, you might just will say, thrown out. I told them right out that I did not have a birth certificate, and she didn't say anything that, you know, that I couldn't go on or anything. And then I went to the next station, and when I handed my baptism certificate to her, she just took it and left it lay on the table and picked it up and handed it back to me, and she said it isn't legal. I've been told that my father's last name is spelled wrong on it. My mother's first name is spelled wrong, and I was told it could be up to $200 that we might have to pay for me to have a correct birth certificate. And I may never vote again. I don't know. I hope not. I just don't agree with it. I think it's foolish.
Well, Ruthelle isn't giving up, and the ACLU isn't giving up. I'm not giving up. I hope that none of you are giving up, because we know that our right to vote is fundamental and precious and worth fighting for. And we know that we need the ACLU to be part of leading this fight on all of our behalf. So if you believe that, please, please put that belief into action and give.